Well, in a fresh development in the Pune Posh case, the grandfather of the teen who ran over two 24-year-old techies in the late-night drunken dash in Pune has now been arrested. This comes after the family's driver alleged that he was wrongfully confined, threatened and told to take the blame for the accident. The teen's grandfather was arrested from his residence in a new case that has been registered by the Pune Crime Branch. This is the third FIR in the case being registered. All the cases, remember, are being probed by the crime branch. Details that have come in of how the incident has unfolded. The police officials have also looked at the CCTV visuals in the case to find out. The police officials also looking at a cover-up angle.
आरोपी ने उसको जबरदस्ती अपनी गाड़ी में बैठाया और अपने घर पे ले गए। वहां पे ले जाने के बाद उसका मोबाइल उन्होंने उससे छीना और अपने ताबे में लिया और इसको वहां पे कमरे में बंद करके उसको पहले प्रलोभन और उसके बाद दबाव, दमदाटी इस प्रकार की उसको कंडक्ट की गई। इस मैटर में जब पहले दिन एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो ड्राइवर पे को आमिष शुरुआत में रात में दिखाया गया था कि उसको बख्शीश दी जाएगी, उसको रिवॉर्ड किया जाएगा, उसको पैसे दिए जाएंगे, उसको मुंह मांगा रकम दिया जाएगा। वो खुद गाड़ी चला रहा था, ऐसा प्रकार का बयान वो पुलिस स्टेशन में दे। इस तरह की उसको दबाव टेलीफोनिकली और उसके बाद प्रत्यक्ष लोगों ने आके इसको दिया था। प्राथमिक जो जवाब पुलिस स्टेशन में ड्राइवर ने दिया था वो गाड़ी चला रहा था, इस प्रकार का बयान उसने दिया था। लेकिन उस रात पुलिस स्टेशन ने जो खातरी की थी उनका निष्कर्ष हुआ था कि ये गाड़ी लहान जुवेनाइल आरोपी चला रहा है।
While the questions still remain on the lapses that took place from the police's side, there are some answers coming forth. And remember, there was a very, very clear attempt to cover up the entire case with the driver being allegedly pressurized to admit that he was driving, to claim that he was driving, whereas that was clearly not the truth. My colleague Rakesh is joining us on the broadcast. He has been detailing the investigations as they go on and the several lapses that have come to the fore. Rakesh, the Pune Police Commissioner revealing what was the worst fear of people across the country, that in a case like this, where some of the eyewitnesses have admitted that it was the minor who was driving, the family members were trying to pressurize the driver to take the blame for the accident.
Yes, it is very shocking to know that the father allegedly allowed the juvenile to drive the car. When the driver informed right outside the club and called the father, said that he's insisting on driving the car, the father says that hand over the keys to him and let him drive. Knowing the fact that he was under the influence of alcohol and this could lead to an accident and it could have been fatal for his own son as well. Forget about the others, but that could have been risky for his own son. But he allowed him to drive the car. Firstly that, and now after that, once the accident happens, they are so ruthless. They are not having any sympathy for the victim, but they want to save their own child who's a juvenile, and that is why they conspire and they make a strategy to frame the driver and to plant him. So first they offer him a bribe. When he doesn't agree on the accepting the bribe, then they try to confine him illegally. They take him from the Yerwada police station to their bungalow, and then they kept him they locked him inside a room without a telephone, without mobile phone, and forcefully against his will. And then they also pressurized him, threatened him, and tell him that you accept responsibility. And only after this, the result is seen that the driver goes to the police station and admits that it was him who was driving the car. Though that was not believed, not verified by the police later, because they did not believe him. And that is how this entire case of kidnapping and wrongful confining came to the light, and now the arrest is made. Now, importantly, the one accused is arrested, who is the grandfather. Now, the second accused, who's the father, who's in judicial custody, is also likely to be arrested, and Pune Crime Branch to take his custody, who's in judicial custody.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.